Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I wash my Camaro, how I get it looking nice. So let's get into it. It's about to change clothes, so give me a second. Now that I change my pants, I can grab all the stuff here I need. Just grab the whole bucket, I reckon. I think the rest of it's in the trunk of my car. The trunk of my car, let me check. Yeah. Here we are. And it's not in here. Alrighty then. Well, let me try to find this. Well, I couldn't find the stuff I usually use, but this will work. Hello. That thing's a piece of junk. Tell you what. Oh, gotta open it up now. Unboxing video. Just pour a little bit in there. Probably put too much. It'll be hot. Oh, it smells good. Whoa. Gotta run inside to get some rags real quick. I haven't put any videos about my grime yet because a mic and a mic adapter for my helmet. It hasn't even come in yet, so give it time to come in. Should be soon, and I will have the good old grime videos out. And that'd be sick. Get a new car for the channel. Just 20K. Come on, y'all got this. Tell your friends about me. I'll keep uploading videos, and yeah. Please subscribe, it will help a lot. Don't forget to like too, that always helps. I got them soaked down good enough. So we can go ahead and wash this tar off. Let me get the white letters real quick. Y'all check out Treadwear, they're pretty sick. Get the old tire scrubber. Alright, so that is one wheel down. That's the second wheel done. And the third one is down. And that's the last one done. Now you just want to dump that water we just did the tires with. Fill it up with clean one. And I use an old t-shirt and get it wet, put soap on it, and go to town. Top, and then make my way to the front and back, and then the sides. At the top clean, I'm just gonna spray it off. Now we just gotta spray the hood and the front bumper off. Now we can move on to the back. I just checked and my GoPro didn't film any of this I just explained, but I went ahead and washed the back. And get a separate towel, a rag, and just do your clean your tips. Get them looking good. And spray it off and move on to the side of the car. Hey Ryder, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. That's my cat, Ryder, right there. Get the Camaro emblem right here. Looking nice. Make sure you get every little single spot on here, because black, everything shows up on black. Everything. You can go ahead and spray it off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash. Ah, there's an ant! Whee! So now I'm just gonna get the last side of the car, and then we'll start to dry it. Plug. Go follow the Insta. Alright. Now I got it sprayed down. We can rinse this bucket out and start to dry the car off. May even put some four-wheeler videos on here, so it's just an all-around good channel. Dog, if y'all remember them. That you put around your neck, it's like cold. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Do like this. That ain't gonna dry too good. Just make long, straight movements down the car like that. It dries pretty good. Got it looking pretty dry. Looking very crisp. Very nice indeed. Alright, I think that about does it for the outside. Nice and dry. Pretty dry at least. Good enough. The wind will blow the rest of it off. And next, it's up to you, but I have these. It's like, oh, I'll just show you. Back here I keep these things. This spray right here. You just spray it on your dash and stuff in there, and it makes it shine and cleans it up. So I'll probably do that later off camera. This is probably long enough video anyway. I tell you what, those ants over there, they bit my leg to pieces, son.
The new sesame ginger.
Ooh, it's hot. It is hot out here, man. Alright, now that we got the car all washed up and ready to go, I'm probably about to go grab me a drink from the store, and that'll do it for today's video. Please drop a like, share with your friends, subscribe please, I mean a lot. And if you watched till the end of this video, comment I saw it, and yeah, and also comment what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and I'd appreciate it. So, peace.